Smart Door Frame Designer in MaxxCAM. Automated precision for hollow door frame manufacturing. Smart Door Frame Designer has been developed to simplify and accelerate the process of creating flat pattern drawings for hollow door frames. With this software, manufacturers can input essential parameters, such as profile sizes, material thickness, quantities, and hardware requirements, and produce precise manufacturing-ready flat pattern drawings within seconds. This automation replaces traditional manual drafting, eliminating the need for design expertise and significantly reducing the time needed to create detailed drawings. One standout feature of Smart Door Frame Designer is its ability to automatically generate PDF drawings alongside flat pattern files. As soon as the flat pattern is completed, a high-quality PDF is generated, ready to be shared with clients or internal teams. This PDF automation streamlines communication, providing immediate access to accurate designs and ensuring all drawings are consistent, professional, and reviewable. It also speeds up client approval, further enhancing overall workflow efficiency. The software's automation isn't just about speed. It brings consistency and accuracy to every drawing. With production as its focus, Smart Door Frame Designer ensures each flat pattern drawing meets exact specifications, reducing the risk of costly errors. This reliability makes it invaluable for manufacturers handling large volumes, as they can rely on it to consistently produce high-quality production-ready drawings. To further support production, Smart Door Frame Designer integrates seamlessly with MaxxCAM, an advanced CAD/CAM solution for CNC machinery. This integration establishes a direct link between design and manufacturing by preparing each flat pattern drawing for CNC machines, usage for either turret punching or laser cutting processes. Its intelligent nesting algorithms maximize sheet utilization. With MaxxCAM, manufacturers benefit from a smooth transition from design to production. The software takes drawings created in Smart Door Frame Designer and prepares them directly for CNC operations, eliminating manual setup and reducing the risk of errors. This automation also cuts down on production time, enabling manufacturers to respond quickly to client demands without compromising quality. Together, Smart Door Frame Designer and MaxxCAM provide a complete solution for hollow door frame manufacturers. Smart Door Frame Designer handles the design phase, automating both flat pattern and PDF drawing creation, while MaxxCAM prepares these drawings for efficient CNC manufacturing. This integrated approach empowers manufacturers to operate with greater accuracy, material efficiency, and pivoting, making it easy to meet client expectations and maintain high standards in every production run. Smart Door Frame Designer and MaxxCAM streamline the workflow from initial design to production-ready files, making them essential tools for any manufacturer looking to reduce costs, save time, and maintain consistent, high-quality output.